I get you, women are trying to do. If get you now, to get a pound of feeding, parrot feeding to him. For him, that is in orange all the thing, and he feed wage, you know. And when he tell that feed now, you have to give him like in orange feed.
Yeah.
And if you give him bami, he eat it. Fried bami.
But you know, there is cabbage.
Me no know.
They eat cabbage and lettuce. They eat cabbage and lettuce, man. Yeah, man.
You never try with
Yeah,
that.
man, they eat lettuce.
If you fry chicken and give him, he eat it. If you give him bread, toast it, he eat it. If you give him crackers, he hold it, man. And who come and Ruby? See, probably be with him crackers. Ruby say, Lord God, he hold like smarty. Me say, yeah, man, he has sense enough.
Yeah, but in the summer, that's what I was telling you now. The parrot that I had was that was a Quaker parrot, the one I had. Could talk and something too. Now, in the summer, I leave the bird outside, right? Came in from work one evening and look around the back, nothing but blood splatter over the whole place. And when we look over by the fence, there's a cat sit down like this, bleeding, because the cat was trying to catch a bird and put the thing in, put the paw inside of the cage.
Yeah, man, he will cut it off, man.
Nothing but blood.
If you think you're bad, go there and put your hand in. He will take his time, come, but he will do that and come to me, you know. When we come, I say, where you going with Paddy B? You know, your friend, man. And he will stop now and be quite Charlie's head.
You can't play them bird.
He come out and they were blessed one. Nobody couldn't go there and take him, and me go there and take him, put him back in the cage. If he find say, you're loving and friendly with him, you know what I mean? He don't do you nothing, man. But if you ever go there, go rush him. Anytime you get an opportunity and cut you, he'll cut you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.